Hello, OTF Highlands. It's Rebecca here. So I've been out for about a week and I'm going slightly insane. But the laryngitis is finally getting better, so I will be back tomorrow. But what I was thinking as I was sitting here, slightly going insane because I haven't seen all of you, I wanted to do a little tutorial. And since I have a rower at home, I thought I could give you guys some little pointers on how to set some things up. So I'm going to stop moving on my rower because that's probably annoying and go ahead and show you guys a few things. It's my little weight room, but all right. So we're going to turn it on, and this is how you do a countdown. So you're going to go to Workout Programs, click it one time. If we're doing 2,000 meters, you'll arrow all the way up. You can go a little faster to 2,000. Whoops. Press OK. If you do not hit OK, it does not start counting. So then when you start rowing, hi pups, when you start rowing, it'll start counting down. So that's the first thing that you can do. Again, we'll clear it out. Workout Programs, arrow up. Let's say we're doing 200-meter row. Hit OK. There you go. Now, if it happens to be a 200-meter row 4 times during the class, once you've already set it up in Workout Programs, you can then go to Stored Programs, and it's right there. And then Stored Programs number 2 is that 2,000-meter row we put in. So that's another little trick that you have. Last trick I'm going to show you is you can also set up your time. So if we are doing a 1-minute row, I did that wrong, sorry. You're going to hit Workout Programs twice. And then you see how it comes over here to the left? You're just going to arrow up to 1 minute. Again, hit that OK button, and then you will start rowing. Now the split time up here, I can show you guys this one as well. Right now it's at 500-meter split. If you want to change it, which we don't always love that you do because sometimes we like it the way it is. But if you are going to change it, you could, just make sure you put it back afterwards. But here's how you do it. So units, go down to watts. See how you've got the 3 zeros? Hit OK. So that's one way to do it. Clear it out. Units, you can go back to, I was hitting the wrong thing. Units, back up to 500-meter split, hit OK. Now, miles per hour. This is a tricky one, and we will have this coming up in January. Apparently, I want summertime. But you can go ahead and hit units, miles per hour. Here's the tricky part. It does do miles per hour. However, it goes to miles. I'm not going to go into how to change miles, but that's the one that if it's ever set to miles per hour, we prefer you not touch because it does get very difficult to put it back to miles per hour and meters. Alrighty, so anyway, that's my little tidbit of information on this lovely, very cold Thursday evening. But I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night.